Hello world! Did you know there's a way to quickly create fades across multiple clips in Ableton?
So what?
Let's get started. The key behind this technique is the Create Fade shortcut, Command Alt and F, or Control Alt and F for Windows. If you want to fade a clip in or out over a specific region, simply highlight that region and hit the shortcut. Helpfully, this shortcut works across multiple clips. Simply drag the area across all the clips you wish to fade and hit the shortcut. Finally, this same shortcut can be used to quickly set the length of a crossfade between two clips. Simply drag one clip over another, select to define the crossfade length, and, you guessed it, hit the shortcut. Click.